If you encounter the post not available in your location error on Twitter, here are some steps to resolve it. First of all, you need to check your location settings of your Twitter application. Make sure that your device location settings are correct and the Twitter has permission to access your location. To check that, go ahead and tap and hold the application first. Click on the eye icon in the top and then go to Permissions. And make sure that you have given permission to Twitter to access your location. And once you do that, you also have to try clearing the cache and cookies. From here, navigate to Storage and then click on Clear Cache. After you do that, if you're using VPN or proxy, turn it off, as Twitter may restrict content based on your access region. Also try switching to another Wi-Fi network or use mobile data to see if the problem continues. And also check the Twitter's restrictions. Twitter may block access to certain content due to regional restrictions, and verify if the post is subject to any regional limitations. And also attempt to access the Twitter from another device to determine if the issue is specific to your current device. And if all the steps fails to resolve the issue, reach out to the Twitter's support for assistance. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.